Hello kids, good morning. I'm back again. Yes, do you remember we studied that poem? Which poem? The cow. Yes, and today we are going to continue that poem because only 4 lines are left of the poem, isn't it? And today we will continue it, and I hope you understood what I taught you in the previous video. Okay, so let's begin. Similarly, first we will do the reading and then I will explain you each and every line of the poem. Okay, kids? Yes, let's start. Kids, let's start. And blown by all the winds that pass, and wet with all the showers, she walks among the meadow grass and eats the meadow flowers. Now, what is the meaning of this? See, and blown by all the winds that pass. That means the cow bears all the winds. Yes, the cow bears all the winds, all the windy days the cow bears. And wet with all the showers. Showers means rain. The cow survives in the rain also. Yes, she walks among the meadow grass. Now, what's the meaning of meadow? Meadow means a place where a lot of grass grows. Yes, in the picture also you can see. So, she walks among the meadow grass and eats the meadow flowers. Okay, the cow eats the flowers which are grown in the meadow. Okay, so here we end the poem, and this poem is written by R.L. Stevenson. R.L. Stevenson is the poet. Yes, the poet's name is given at the last. In the previous video, I showed you the photo also. I showed you the pic of R.L. Stevenson, that is Robert Louis Stevenson. Okay, kids, so here we have ended the poem. Yes, kids. So, can you see page number 31? Today we will do true or false. True or false. I hope everybody knows that true means when the sentence is correct, we write true, that is T. And if the sentence is wrong, we write F for false. So, let's begin. We all will read together. Okay, kids, ready? Yes, come on. You also have to keep your fingers. You also keep your fingers. Yes, when I'm reading, you also read in your books. First, the cow is sad. The cow is sad? No, the cow is not sad. Cow is happy. Yes. So, what we'll write? We'll write F. It's false. Okay, now come to second one. The cow is red and white in color. The cow is red and white in color. Yes, have you seen the picture that is given at page number 30? I'll show you once again. Can you see this cow here? Yes, can you see? Cow. The cow is red and white in color. So this statement is true or false? The cow is red and white in color. It's true. It's given in the poem also. So what we'll write here? We will write here T. Okay? You also write T. Then come to third one. The poet does not like the cow. The poet does not like the cow. No, it's false. The poet likes the cow, isn't it? Yes, so it's false. In the poem, do you remember? Yes, it was given that I love with all my heart. Yes, so this statement is wrong. So we will write false. Fourth one, the cow gives cream. Yes, I told you that the cow gives us milk and from that milk we make cream. And in the poem it is given that the cow gives cream. She gives me cream with all her might. So this statement is true. This statement is true. T. Got it? Okay? Yes. Now come to the fifth one. The cow cannot go wherever it likes. The cow cannot go wherever it likes. True or false? Yes? Yes, it is true because we have read in the poem that the cow cannot stray. Stray means to go wherever the cow wants to go somewhere else. So this statement is true. The cow cannot go wherever it likes. Only the cow moves around a particular area. So this is true. Then come to sixth one. The cow eats flowers. Yes, the cow eats meadow flowers. Do you remember? Yes, true. Then come to seventh one. Rain and wind both touch the cow. Rain and wind both touch the cow. Yes, it is true because it was given in the poem that blown by all the winds that pass and wet with all the showers. And showers means the rain. Yes, rain. So that means rain and wind both touch the cow. This is true. The next is the cow makes a lowing sound. Yes, very true, very correct. Yes, do you remember I told you that the cow makes a lowing sound? Yes, I you have heard in the video also? Yes? Okay, the cow makes a lowing sound? True. Okay, so we have done this exercise. Now come to the next